Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp for Android. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a PIN. So let's get it set up. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options. Okay, from the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings page, where you can customize various features. Here's the thing. Tap on Account from the Settings menu. This is where you can manage security and privacy settings for your WhatsApp account. Now you'll see an option called Two-Step Verification or Two-Step Verification PIN. Tap on it. This opens the Two-Step Verification setup page. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Turn On button. Tap on it to start setting up your two-step verification. WhatsApp will now ask you to create a 6-digit PIN. Type in a PIN that you'll remember but that others can't easily guess. Make sure it's something secure. After entering your PIN, my screen is blacked out due to security reasons, but you guys can just follow the steps. So WhatsApp will ask you to confirm it by typing it again. Re-enter the same 6-digit PIN. Next, WhatsApp will ask you to add an email address. This is optional, but highly recommended. If you forget your PIN, this email will help you recover access to your account. Type in your email and tap Next. And that's it. Your two-step verification is now enabled. From now on, WhatsApp will occasionally ask for this PIN to verify it's really you. You can change or turn off the PIN anytime from the same settings. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.